Hello and welcome to my new video where I will show you how to use my latest plugin, Imguromatic, Imgur post importing plugin for WordPress. So using this plugin you can import Imgur posts to your WordPress installation. Okay, to begin, click Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, choose File, navigate to the zip file you downloaded and click Install Now. After the installation process, activate the plugin. Now go to plugin settings. Here you will see that the plugin requires an Imgur app for it to function. To get one, click here. You must have an Imgur account. If you don't have one, please create one. And here you can create a new app. Register an application. Application name. Give the application a name. Authorization type, leave with callback URL as default. The callback URL should be set as this blue text, this blue link. The plugin gives you the link that applies for your blog. Copy it and paste it here. Website, don't bother with it. An email address, a short description, the CAPTCHA, and submit it. Here you will have your client ID and client secret. Don't bother using these because I will delete them. So we copy the client ID, copy the client secret, and save info. If you use this plugin for making money or in any other way, Imgur requires you to register the app API with mesh ape. If you have a mesh ape key, insert it here. This is optional. The plugin will work fine even without this. Okay, so we inserted these two values. Now we can go to creating posts. Here we can define a query string. Let's say I want to search for cats. I want to run this rule every 24 hours. So every 24 hours importing will run. 10 posts will be generated at maximum. Posts will be published. Other values for posts are pending, draft, private, or trash. Post type should be post or any other custom post type you have listed. Post author should be admin, and some advanced options. You can generate a post title using shortcodes. You can edit the post title that will be generated. You have these shortcodes to your you can use these shortcodes in the title. Each will get a value regarding the respective post. Also, you can edit the content. Here you have more shortcodes to use. The default content will include the item media. This means any picture or GIF that the Imgur post contains. And item content, this is the description of the images or GIFs. So image and description is the default. You can edit this with any of these. Remember last posted item and continue search from it. If you check this, posts will be continuously imported. And the plugin will remember the last imported item. If you uncheck this, only the latest items that match your criteria will be imported. Search for all these words. You can input here cats, dogs, or many words, and only posts that contain all these words will be posted. The same rule with any of these words. exactly for these words. If you want to search exactly for a phrase, you can do it here. Exclude results matching these phrases, these words. If you don't want dogs, let's say, but want cats, then you can input here dogs. Image types to return. You can select what image types you want to return. Image sizes, small, medium, large, huge. Sort by time, while or top. Results date range, day, week, month, year. Filter by not safe for work, no or only not safe for work, or all. Animated. Disable automatic Excel generation. Set post original date as the image date. Strip images from content. Remove WordPress default post category. Limit title workout generated post format. Any custom post formats that you have installed on your blog. Additional post category can select multiple categories. Auto add categories from the Imgur image tags that the image has. Auto add tags from the Imgur image tags. Additional post tags, here manual list of tags. Enable comments, pingback, trackbacks, post custom fields. You can input here custom fields using this type of format. Custom field name, the arrow equals an arrow, and custom field value. In custom field value you can use shortcodes. Okay, the same for custom taxonomies. Auto get featured image and default featured image if no featured image found. Okay, so let's save the settings to create our first rule, and let's head and start running the plugin. Let's have a look at our blog right now. It already starts generating posts. As we can refresh it, we can see cat posts imported right as we refresh our blog. The rule successfully run, and let's have a look at some posts. Yeah, cat posts and GIF also, it's included. Okay, now let's continue, and let's see what happens if we click here, post to Imgur. Also, we can automatically post to Imgur each time we post a new post to our WordPress. So for this we have to input these values that we already have inputted, and all we have to do from now is to authorize the app. Input your user password and click allow, and the app is authorized. Here you can configure some more settings. Delay posting by an amount of seconds. If you leave this blank, each time you publish a post, automatically the image of the post will be posted to Imgur. If you input here a value, then the plugin will wait 5 seconds after the publishing of the post, and then it will be posted to Imgur only. Imgur post template. Okay, sorry for the interruption. So as I was saying, you can delay the posting. You can edit the post title template. Here you can also use shortcodes and set the title of the image that will be posted. Also, the description is editable using your shortcodes. This will link back to your original post in its description. You can input an album ID and the post will be inserted in that album. Post images anonymously. If you don't want to assign to your user the posted images, check here. Disable automatic posting of pages, posts or custom. Disable posting of selected categories. If you click here, categories list will be available. Disable posting of this list of tags that you insert here. Variable content is a shortcode that you can use, and it can be edited. It will be shown only on this percentage of total posts. So this is a random variable content that you can edit, which will not be shown all the time. Okay, so let's save these settings and let's publish a post right now. Okay, let's check first our images. We don't have images on our account. Now let's click add new. Let's add a title, content, and let's set a featured image. Let's say some cats. These are okay, and let's click publish. Now the post is published on WordPress, and also if we click refresh here, we can see our cats. So these were automatically uploaded to Imgur. Okay, so now let's take a look at the nice part. If we post here 3 images, okay, now let me show you something. Let's delete these posts and let's regenerate the posts on our blog. Notice that this time running takes a bit longer. This is because posts are not only published to our WordPress automatically, but also to our Imgur. So let's have a look at our blog. Posts are getting published nicely, and it already finished. And let's refresh our Imgur, and we can see that the kitties got also to our Imgur page. Okay, now let's have a look at other plugin sections, activity and logging. Here you will see what rules are currently running, which ID. You can restore plugin default settings, delete all generated posts by this plugin, and activity log. Also in the main settings, here we have some advanced features of the plugin. You can disable duplicate checking. If you disable this feature, then duplicate posts will be posted. Limit return post count to a maximum value per rule. If you want to limit the maximum posted posts per rule, you can input here a value. Show extended item information meta box. If you want to display, I will show you in a minute, this meta box, then you can check this checkbox. You can replace WordPress cron with real cron if you check this checkbox. You can enable logging, advanced logging, automatically clear logs every once in a while. Timeout for rule running. If the rule runs more than this amount of seconds, it will automatically be stopped. Send rule running summary in email to this email address. Minimum title welcome, maximum title welcome, minimum content welcome, maximum content welcome, bad worries, required worries, skip posts that do not have images, skip posts older than this date. These are posting restrictions. If the post does not meet these restrictions, it will not be posted. You can resize the imported featured image to these sizes. Strip links from generated post content, strip HTML class or ID from the content, shorten URL using Google, it requires an API key or safe link converter. This is also another free service. Automatically translate content using Google Translate to any language. Source article language. Spin text using 4 methods, a built-in one or free, other methods from which one is a paid one. Random sentence generator. Define here more sentences with variables in them. Define the values for variables like this, and the sentences will be selected at random, and also the variables will be replaced with random values for them. HTML code and add code inserter. You can use this shortcode in your content or this one, and these will be replaced with the custom HTML you define. And the affiliate keyword replacer tool. Search for a keyword, replace with another keyword, and add a link to it. Also, we have some WordPress shortcodes, Imguromatic list posts and Imguromatic display posts to list posts that were generated using this plugin. So this is all. I hope you will enjoy this plugin. Until next time, bye bye.